Are you trying to choose between Xfinity Mobile's unlimited and unlimited premium plans? Let's break down what you're actually getting and which one makes sense for you. Both plans offer unlimited data, but there's a big difference in speed. The basic unlimited plan gives you slower data after 20 gigs, dropping to 1.5 Mbps download. With unlimited premium, you get full-speed data up to 50 gigs, nearly triple before any slowdown. Here's another key difference. The unlimited plan doesn't include mobile hotspot, where premium gives you 15 gigs of high-speed hotspot, then slows it down. So if you tether often, premium totally wins. On the unlimited plan, video streams are 480p, think DVD quality. On premium, it bumps it up to 720p on cellular. Not full HD, but noticeably better. Pricing depends on how many lines you have. On one line, unlimited is around $45, while premium is about $55. Add more lines and the price per line drops. Choose unlimited if you're a light user who mostly browses, scrolls, and uses Wi-Fi. Go for premium if you stream often, use hotspot, or just want higher priority speeds and more data headroom. That's the breakdown. Nice, easy, and quick. Like and subscribe for more no-fluff mobile plan comparisons, and I'll catch you in the next video.